guys, I'm so excited this week. I'm going to read the story to you and I hope you enjoy it. It is The Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. And the parts of our book are the front cover, the spine, and the back cover. Hopefully you guessed them. Here we go. The Bear Snores On. In a cave in a woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. A lair. I wonder what the word lair means. Do you have any ideas? He's in his lair. And why is he sleeping? What is it called when the bear sleeps during the winter? Let's think. Do you know? It's the word hibernation. He's hibernating. Let's see what happens next. Cuddled in a heap, his eyes were shut tight. He sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls into the cave. From the fluff cold snow, mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes peek into the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Does that look like a hare? Do you think it's a different word? I wonder what the word could be for that. It's a hare, or is it a bunny? It's a different type of bunny. He's called a hare because he's big. "Ho, mouse," says hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel through the floor, then Warren and Raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Warren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. So now how many animals are in the bear's lair? How many animals can you see? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 animals are in Bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. What are they doing? They ate and now they're dancing? Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew. A small pepper flake makes the bear go, "Achoo!" He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Oh, you see them all standing stiff? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls and he roars and he rumbles. The bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Does he look happy? Look at all the animals. What are they doing? You snuck in my lair. You've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Is he happy or sad? How do you think the bear feels? Mouse squeaks, don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, you see, we can pop more popcorn and brew more tea. Oh, now look at the bear's face. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. He spins tall tales through the blistering night. But when the sun peeks up on the crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. The end. What was your favorite part of the story?